Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down in this all. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the beautiful decoration, the bed decoration, the wall decoration and all, very beautiful decoration they did. The lights and all and the mirrors and all, very beautiful decoration you can see, looking very beautiful. And this one also you can see beautiful, the black color theme you can see it is looking very beautiful, the mirrors and all and the window. This one also you can see very beautiful decoration, the white color theme and the wall and all, very beautiful. This also the floor you can see the white color theme, bed, the wall, the lights and all, the mirrors, the cupboards, the floor, it is very beautiful. It's also you can see it is very beautiful, you can see the decoration and all beautiful, up lights, the floor lights, it is looking very beautiful, lights and the floor. This also very beautiful, the cupboards and all, the two cupboards beautiful, and the room and the up you can see the beautiful flower, you can see the floor you see with the beautiful. And so you can see the white color bed and the roof, the lights. It is a normal room, I didn't like it. If you like, so comment me down. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the very beautiful lights and all, and the floor, the bed and all. It is very beautiful decoration you can see. And it's also very beautiful, you can see the mirror and the lights and all, and the floor you can see, the floor you can see, and the wall also. This is also very beautiful, the cotton and all, and the cupboards, the lights, the floor also very beautiful decoration you can see. And this one also you can see it is very beautiful, you can see the bed, the floor and the wall and all, and the small lights, the lamp, very beautiful. This one also you can see the blue color theme, you can see it is very beautiful, and the floor you can see in the golden color theme frame also very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the cupboards and the mirror, that may be a gate, and it's very beautiful. This also the modern luxury VIP room decor, you can see the roof, the floor and the color is very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the wall, you can see it is very beautiful, the black color beautiful wall, and the lights, it's also very beautiful. And this also you can see it is a very beautiful decoration, you can see the place you can keep your clothes and all, which is very beautiful. So this one, it is the colors and all. This is also very beautiful, the luxury bedroom. And I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. And have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.